Hi digital marketers, this is Faisal Amin. Welcome back to my channel. We are going to make your analytics journey happier by showing you how to track begin checkout event in Google Analytics 4 for your Shopify store by using Google Tag Manager. The Google Tag Manager, and let's preview. This is our Shopify store address. So connect with the Google Tag Assistant. Tag Assistant is connected. So now check it out. Our data layer is enabled or not. Go to any product page and add to cart, then checkout. Now we back to the Google Tag Assistant. Look at that. Our data layer is enabled or not. Here see begin checkout. Event is looking here and our data layer is enabled. So not more delay. Come back to the points. First thing first, we have GA4 enhance e-commerce tracking. We have to check out that what is our required parameter which we want to send with the begin checkout event. Here is a list. You can see that, and those parameters are required for the begin checkout event: currency, value, coupon, items. So we are already created those parameters for view item event. That is our part 3 video. If you do not watching this, firstly watching the video, then come back to the begin checkout event. So now we are do not create a parameters already we are created. So we are now just create a tags and triggers for begin checkout event. So come back to the Google Tag Manager and create a new tag. Click the tags and create a new. Under the Google Analytics, you can click the Google Analytics GA4 event. Now here is we have to put the measurement ID. So collecting the measure, we have to go to Google Analytics 4, and now we are go to the data stream, and here see our measurement ID. Copy the measurement ID and go back to the Google Tag Manager and paste the measurement ID event name. Which event we have to track? That is begin checkout. So copy the begin checkout from it and back to the Google Tag Manager and paste the event name. Event parameter we are already created for the view item event. Now we are just putting a name and value. So add parameter. Here we put the name. So we are go to the recommended parameters. Here we find the parameters name. First one is currency, second one is value, and third one is items. We are almost done. Now just we are creating a trigger. Create a new trigger, custom event. Event name is begin checkout paste. Here we giving a name, that is event begin checkout. Save it. And finally, we are named a tag, that is GA4 begin checkout. Save it. We are done. So now we go to the preview options. We are examining that our GA4 begin checkout event is fired perfectly or not, and also check out our Shopify store data is showing in the Google Analytics 4 or not. Then go to the preview and again continue, and back to our website. Our tag assistant is connected. So go to any product page, add to cart, and finally we hit the checkout and back to the Google Tag Assistant. Here see, looking great. Our GA4 begin checkout event is fired perfectly. Now go back to the Google Analytics 4 and go to the admin data display section. So you have to find out the debug view. Click the debug view. Looks great. Begin checkout event is showing here. It is working perfectly. So click the begin checkout and look at that. Our currency parameters are USD looking here, and our value is looking here. And if you go to the items, there are all parameters are tracking perfectly. So congrats. We are successfully set up a begin checkout event in Google Analytics 4 for your Shopify store by using Google Tag Manager. So thanks for watching this video. I will see you in the next video with a new topic. Thank you.